Hi ED200 class, this is Sister Edgington here. I just wanted to do some clarification about concept maps. Our concept maps are a big part of this course. We do quite a few of them, and some of you are doing individual concept maps for each assignment, but many of you are adding to your original one. And that is kind of what the suggestion is, so that you can kind of track and see where your learning started and where you end up when this course is done. So a concept map is just a diagram that shows relationships between concepts and your learning. So it's the concepts that you're being introduced to, and then the learning that is taking place as you do the readings and as you work on the graffiti board and as you do your partner discussions and do extra research out on the web. A concept map is visual learning, and I am a visual learner, and so I love seeing your learning and seeing what you're thinking. It's kind of like I can get inside of your head and see what's going on in there as you are recording your learning on a concept map. So a concept map reveals patterns and relationships between the concepts and learning. And I have had a number of you already say that you are seeing patterns develop and you are now starting to understand the relationships between what we talked about and we're learning at the beginning of the course and what's going on now. And this will continue throughout the remainder of the course. So I want you to be creative and enjoy these and have fun, but there are some things that you have to include in your concept maps in order to get credit for them. So here is an example of a concept map that was turned in by a student from a previous semester. And one thing that you absolutely have to have, and I keep getting some turned in without this, and it is a key. You've got to have the key so that we can see what it is that you're trying to show us, that the doctrines that you are encountering are blue, and that the tools that you're learning about are purple. And I'm just using the example of this key right here that we are looking at. So you have to do color coding. If you are still turning in black and white concept maps, that's why you're getting the grades that you're getting, because they have to be color coded and you have to have a key. There are 6 things that need to be included, and then you can add as many other things as you want. Some of you have added some great things like about information that will help you for future hiring and things like that. So you have to have green showing things that you are very sure of, doctrines, principles, and tools that you are sure of. Yellow representing those things that you are not sure of. And then red, things that you don't know or don't understand or are not sure of yet. So you need to have yellow, green, and red in your concept map. You also need to have doctrines, principles, and tools in your concept map. Now you can do those any color that you want, but you've got to have doctrines, principles, and tools so that I know that you are distinguishing between what is a doctrine, what is a principle, and what is a tool that I can use in my teaching. Okay, so color coding. For sure you have to have green, yellow, and red. You also have to have doctrines, principles, and tools with whatever color coding that you want. And then you can create your concept map however you want to. Many people are using their questions that they choose, those 3 questions that they choose basically every other week, and then they are using the information that they get from the graffiti board. They are citing references from reading, references from peers, and lots of scriptural references that I'm seeing, and that's really great. So please look at this and please follow this. It doesn't have to be shaped like this. It doesn't have to be these colors. It doesn't have to be these shapes. But I do have to have those elements that I have talked to you about in each of the concept maps in order for you to get full credit. And like I said, my preference would be that you keep adding. And I know that they get kind of big and bulky, but it's okay. And it's fun to see that progression of learning. So just one more time, color code your map, green representing concepts you're sure about, yellow still wondering about, and red unsure of. Then also included in that key, and you must have a key, we need to have doctrines, principles, and tools. And they can be any color that you choose. So thank you so much and good luck. And I love the things that I'm seeing. It's really great teaching this class. I love it. And I appreciate you and I appreciate your hard work and your patience and your diligence. Thank you.